Scotchman Industries manufactures ironworkers from 40 to 150 ton capacity. We offer 3 different concepts of ironworkers: the fully integrated tool concept, the component tool concept, and the dual operator concept. With a fully integrated style, the functions of punching, shearing, notching, angle shearing, and on some models, round and square rod shearing are built into the machine permanently. There are additional component tools available for the punch station, including brakes, channel shear, pipe notcher, picket tool, and tube shear. With a component tooling style machine, the only permanent features built in are the rectangle notcher punch and flat bar shear. Please note that all Scotchman ironworkers are supplied with an angle shear as standard equipment. The balance of the tools can be purchased at any time. The dual operator machines combine the features of both models in a machine that can be used by 2 operators at the same time. All 3 concepts are very popular. It's just a matter of personal preference. If you have any questions, please call our toll-free telephone number 1-800-843-8844, and our experienced staff will be happy to answer them for you.